Everybody's telling me it's done. Feeling like I'm about to throw in the towel. Face the fight or turn away and run. Then I remembered that you are always for me. If you've said it once, I've heard it twice. I can always trust you with my life. With eyes of faith, I still believe, yeah, that it's not over till you say so. Say so. Till you say so. It's not finished till you say so. Say so. Till you say so. Yeah. You have the final say over every circumstance. Your purpose for me will come to pass. Lord, you have perfectly orchestrated such a wonderful plan for me. So why should I doubt you now? You've shown me from time that if you said it once, then I've heard it twice. I can always trust you with my life. With eyes of faith, I still believe, that it's not over till you say so. Say so. Till you say so. It's not finished till you say so. Say so. Till you say so. It's not over till you say so. Say so. Till you say so. It's not finished till you say so. Say so. Till you say so.
Your will, my deed, that is what I'm living for. With you in me, no reason for being lost. Everything I could need, I have within me. With you and me, my vision is plain to see. In you, I found me. In you, that's where I live.
Identity is what you gave to me. Change, man, I'm a living vessel of a deity. I realized I was the one that you were calling by name. I was down in the dumps, but you loved me the same. Yeah, wasn't merit, it was all by your grace. Yeah, called out, I thank you, Lord, for the day. I say my prayers, thank you, Lord, for the day. I say my prayers, I give thanks to Yahweh.
Your will, my deed, that is what I'm living for. With you in me, no reason for being lost. Everything I could need, I have within me. With you and me, my vision is plain to see. In you, I found me. In you, that's where I live, yeah. Your word is my illumination, guiding guiding me through life, showing me the revelation of your kind of life. A life of peace and joy I find in you. Blind seeing again, lame walking again. Holy Spirit within, I'm walking in your will. Your will, my deed, that is what I'm living for. With you in me, no reason for being lost. Everything I could need, I have within me. With you and me, my vision is plain to see. In you, I found me. In you, that's where I live, yeah.
Yeah, da, da. Oh, la 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 la. He said, yeah. You love me long time, since the day that you found me, and at the right time, you opened my eyes to see. Oh, it feels like heaven, heaven on earth with you, with you. I'm living in the wonders of your love. Oh God, your love is just the greatest I've ever known. Yeah, yeah. There's nowhere else I'd rather go. Oh no. And it's amazing. You hold me like your baby. Whoa, whoa, it's just the greatest love. I never see this kind of loving. Loving where they make me lose my head. I see if I no get sense. Anything you want from me, I'll do for you with no regret. Oh, I'm so encaptured by your loving heart. You sent your only son for me. That's why it's just the greatest I've ever known or ever seen. And there's nowhere else I'd rather go. I'll never be the same. And it's amazing. You hold me like your baby. Whoa, whoa, it's just the greatest love. Yeah, never see this kind of love. Oh, no, no, no. I never see this kind of loving. Oh, oh, lo, 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 lo. Oh, this love is just the greatest, and there's nowhere else. And it's just amazing. You hold me like your baby. Oh, oh, it's just the greatest love. I never see this kind of loving. I never see this kind of love. Oh, la 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 la. La 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 la. Da 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 da. I never see this kind of loving.
So many things come to my mind. Like how could a man lay down his life just to save mine? Who would have thought that the Messiah would lay down his life on the line just to save mankind? You came and you changed my life. You came brighten my whole life, my whole life. You in my life makes me alive. You in my life makes me alive, oh yeah. You give me love, I can't deny. Your love is sweet, I can't lie, oh yeah. You in my life makes me alive. You in my life makes me alive, oh yeah. You give me love, I can't deny. Your love is sweet, I can't lie, oh yeah. No greater love than your love. No greater love than your love, my greatest. No greater love than your love.
Yo, Chow, what up, man, what up? Yo, what's up? Happy Wednesday, gang. What's up?
I don't need nobody else. I got you all day, all day, alright. With you in my life, I don't see everything sweet like fire, life. You in my life makes me alive. You in my life makes me alive, oh yeah. You give me love, I can't deny. Your love is sweet, I can't lie, oh yeah. You changed my life. You came and you made
Yo, Chow, what's up, man? Drop some energy once again, bro. Some energy, man. You know, you guys. Yo, man. Drop some energy, dog. Drop the energy, bro.
You in my life makes me alive. You in my life makes me alive, oh yeah. You give me love, I can't deny. Your love is sweet, I can't lie, oh yeah. You in my life makes me alive. You in my life makes me alive, oh yeah. You give me love, I can't deny. Your love is sweet, I can't lie, oh yeah. No greater love than your love. No greater love than your love, my greatest. No greater love than your love. No greater love than your love, my greatest. No greater love than your love. No greater love than your love, my greatest. No greater love than your love. No greater love than your love. Nobody can take me away. Nobody can take me away from your love, from your love. Nobody can take me away. Nobody can take me away from your love.
Yo, chat, drop some message in the chat, man. Drop some emojis or whatever, man. Just drop energy in the chat, bro, before we start, man. Let's go.
You set my feet on the road to stay. My story you take from grace to grace. No situation you cannot change.
Let's go, gang. Drop energies in the chat, bro, man. Any emojis, W's, fire, bro. Let's go. Man, energy is your currency, dog.
No situation, there is nothing that he cannot change. No condition. Cast your cares on him, lay it all on him. Cause he cares for you. I lay everything. Cause I know you will take care of me. So I trust your word. Cause it never falls down. And I lay it on your shoulders. Oh no, no. I'm to stay. Did you realize that you are a champion in their eyes?
Let's go, man. Drop some energies in the chat, bro. Good day, everyone, man.
Everybody want it, but it ain't that serious. That's that shit. So if you gon' do it just like this. Did you realize that you are a champion? You don't see just how wild the crowd is. You don't see just how fly my style is. I don't see why I need a stylist. When I shop so much, I can speak Italian. I don't know, I just want it better for my kids. And I ain't saying
What's up,
we
what's
was
up?
from the projects, but every time I wanna lay away or deposit, my dad'd say when you see close your eyelids. We was sorta like Will Smith and his son. In the movie, I ain't talking about the rich ones. Cause every summer, he'd get some brand new hair brain scheme to get from. And I don't know what he did for dope. He'd send me back to school with a new wardrobe. And hey, I think he did when he packed it up and brought it back to the crib. Just a little something, show you how we live. Everything I wanted, man, it seems so serious.
What's up, chat? What up? How you guys doing, man?
Do it just like this. Did you realize harder than dying. For me, giving up's way harder than trying. Lauryn Hill said her heart was in Zion. I wish her heart still was in rhyming. Cause who the kids gon' listen to? Huh? I guess me if it isn't you. Last week I paid a visit to the institute. They got the dropout, keeping kids in the school. I guess I clean up my act like Prince do. If not for the pleasure, at least for the principle. They got the CD, then got to see me drop gems like I dropped out a PE. They used to feel invisible. Now they know they invincible. Did you realize that you were a champion? This is the story of a champion. Runners in the market, they pop the gun. Stand up, here he comes. Tell me what it takes to be number one. Tell me what it takes to be number one. This is the story of a champion. Runners in the market, they pop the gun. Stand up, here he comes. Tell me what it takes to be number one. Tell me what it takes to be number one. Did you realize that you were a champion? Yes, I did. So I packed it up and brought it back to the crib. Just a little something, show you how we live.
All right, chap. What's up, gang? How you guys doing? What's up? What up, chat? What up? It's a brand new day here, gang. Monthly time frames, doji closure, no. 500 pip up. Yeah. What's up? We'll do top down analysis in a few minutes, chow, right? Give me a second here. Alright, gang. You guys ready? Type ready in the chat if you guys ready. Type ready in the chat if you guys ready. Type ready in the chat. Alright, gang. So let's start with the weekly time frame here, chat. As you can see here, the weekly time frame is still bullish, right? But yesterday, I told you guys that the candles, if the candle closed below, it's gonna push down. But what happened is, the late candle came, right? So technically, if you got the late candle, we cannot anticipate that the late candle will come here in the consolidation area. This one, I believe this is the zone in the 50 minutes time frame, right? So as you can see here, that the 50 minutes time frame are printing side by side, and they're ranging here, and the late candle, boom, push down further. But right now, let's see, man, what we gonna do here. All right, weekly time frame here, as you can see, it's still bullish, right? But no bottom, no top wick here, no top wick closure. That indicates you, if the candles has no top wick, there's no way to drive up, right? But right now we're good, because in the daily time frame here, as you can see, we form resistance already now. And then once this candle, as you can see, Chad, the daily candles, if this candle re-break the previous candle low now, man, you will see like this minimum today, because I believe later we have news, right? So we have ADP here, 4:15 p.m. Dubai time. So this will give you volume into the market. But right now, resistance has been made here. So you have resistance form. Your support is here. So you have decent range to push down here. You have decent range to trade, to push down. Once you re-break the previous candle low, man, you will see pops towards to the downside here. Minimum. You know that, right? If you're following me, you know that if you re-break the previous candle low there, you will see some move, right? And And 4 hour time frame here, as you can see. Oh, the 4 hour time frame has no bottom wick, chat. As you can see, no bottom wick here, right? No bottom wick. So it's the same without top wick. If you close without top wick, you don't have range to drive up. And if you close without bottom wick, you don't have range to drive down, as you can see here. Right? You top the support here, now you push up. Right? You top the support, now you push up now. So that's the problem if you close without bottom wick and without top wick. What normally you will see some re-break there before going to the other direction. Right? So 1 hour time frame, okay, 1 hour time frame, we have resistance here, your support is here. So we're here inside the range of how many pip here? Oh, 177 pip range. Let's have a look on the 30 minutes time frame here. All right, 30 minutes time frame is pushing up here. I didn't grab anything here because normally once you re-break there, I'm gonna take some, impulse entry here. But I didn't get a chance because I'm preparing to the stream. But anyway, man, we're gonna get some trades later on. All right, let's see if we have good setup coming up. Right, 50 minutes time frame, no bottom or no top wick closure, pushing up here. All right, chat. We have decent range to trade here. We have clean move. Once we see some resistance form here, we're gonna look for trades. All right, chat. So yeah, man. My support is here. Support form is here. So resistance is probably up here. Minor because you see the reaction, right? On the 15. Probably we're gonna put that as a resistance. So right now this is my zone, chat. Right? So I cannot take buy right now because as you can see the move happened already. How many pip move? So the move is almost 150 pip move. So if I wanna take buy, I wanna see some retracement first, right? I wanna see retracement first and then new support form like this to buy, right? Because you will see that it's gonna be a trend, right? That's how I'm gonna do the trade. But if I see like this closure break above resistance, I'm gonna take that anyhow here. If you see the resistance and the next candle close above resistance, I'm gonna take this to retest the high here, right? But right now we're gonna wait, chat, for some resistance form, and then after resistance, let's see what will happen. All right, so if you have any questions, chat, drop it in the chat. So this my levels on. We're gonna wait for some trades here, some reactions up here, and some resistance form. Once we see resistance, we're gonna trade that. All right, chat, we good. 53 viewers in the chat, man. How you guys doing? What's up? Make sure you like the stream here and subs to the channel. Like the stream, subs to the channel. Follow me on IG, chat. Follow IG. We're good, gang. We're good. What's up? Good day. 4 hours about to close, man. 32 minutes. Yeah, if you have any questions, drop it in the chat. Drop it in the chat if you have any questions. Shout out to 55 viewers here. Chat, drop some likes, alright? Can I see 30 likes here, chat? Drop some likes, gang. Gold is pushing up here. Nice breakout here. Nice breakout. Wow. What's up? What's up? Coach, double bottom ba yung nasa support? Double bottom here. Double bottom, as far as I know, brother, it's gonna look like this. Double bottom, it's gonna look like W here. That's the double bottom here. I believe this is not double bottom. It's consolidation, brother. This is consolidation. All right. I will tell you right now. This is consolidation. Because double bottom is you're creating a structure towards to the downside and the retrace, right? So you will see move. This is the move, right? For example, this is this structure is this one. All right. So this is structure. The down is this, right? And then once you see pops, you retrace and then push down, and it's gonna be like this. It's gonna be equal low, right? And then now, boom, you break out here. That's the double bottom, I believe, as far as I know, bro. But I'm not using double bottom, double top, right? Rock bottom. I'm not using that. I'm not using ICT. I'm not using SMC. I'm not using a fair value gap. Doesn't make sense. For me, I use only price action. Price action. Price action. No problem. You're welcome. If you're beginner, bro, I would suggest focus on support and resistance, and learn how to read candles, learn how to read market structure, the trend, the session trend, right? Because if you're gonna focus on advanced technique, yeah, you're gonna make it, but it will take time. But if you want to be, if you wanna learn, adapt more quickly, you need to um, learn how to read the candles, the structure, right? Market structure. How about fib? Fib is nice strategy, but I'm not normally use fib. Before we're using fib, but it's not work for me. So I need to find more. That's why I find this price action strategy, because it's really, it's really what they call easy to understand. What do you mean about session trend, coach? All right. So session trend means once, for example, you see Asian session, right? So Asian session here is you're gonna look for market structure. So for example, you see market structure is what time is this? 4:15 a.m. You push up. So this is Asian session. So technically you see that Asian session is pushing up, right? And then suddenly you see the minor resistance level here, and then you have support level right here and break below the support, and then you know that you have clean traffic towards to the left hand side here, and then suddenly the price pushed down to retest the low. So the session after the session is gonna be different, because the early of the Asian session is pushing up, the middle of the Asian session is pushing down. So the trend is gonna change. The trend is gonna be a bearish trend, because you see the volume towards to the downside, right? So that's how you know the session trend. Right now, we are in the London session. As you can see here, you see the breakout here, right? After you create a range. Now the price is pushing up. So right now the session trend is bullish. All right. So right now I'm gonna wait for some market structure, some support and resistance form, because right now I cannot take buy, I cannot sell too, because there's no market structure, there's no structure. If I want to take sell, I want to see like this closure, right? For example, you close bullish, now this one, now you have resistance form, but I want to see support. So once I see support here, and then the next candle break below the support, now I'm good for selling down, because I know the fact that I have clean traffic towards to the left hand side here. This is like my clean traffic. So I'm gonna take the sell position to retest the low here, because now you have new resistance. This is your previous resistance, and then the next candle closed bullish. Now you have support, and then next you need to wait for another candle to close as bearish, break below support, enable for you to take sell. You know the fact that you're gonna take sell because My plan is I need some closure below the range, because once you close below the range here, then you know that you have clean traffic towards to the left hand side here. Now you're good for selling down. Does make sense? Coach, based on your experience, is there consolidation happening po before moving to another? Yes, there is. As you can see, this one before this is see that 9:30 a.m. Dubai time, it start to consolidate. So technically, this is a pre-London volume, pre-London session, right? And then once London open, London session come, boom, push it up. Right now, I believe this is the move already, right? So we probably gonna wait if the candle will print side by side here and then create some structure. And because right now, as you can see here, if we want to take buy here and then the price is start to consolidate here, right? The price start to consolidate here like this. Now you have the range is here. So this is your resistance on the left hand side, right? Because we cannot take buy inside the range. So technically this is your range 1. Range 1. Okay. Oh. Where's that? This is your range 1. This is your range 2. Range 2 here. Now you break the range 1. You close above the range 2 already. Now we're gonna wait for the range 3 break. This is because this is gonna be the range 2 breakout, not 3. Because if we see that closure above the range here, now we're good for buying up here because we know the fact that we're bullish today, right? To retest the high here. That's how you anticipate the market structure, the trend. You need to follow the trend, right? So I'm showing you the where's that? This one is trading against the trend. This is how we trade against the trend, because now you have structure already, right? So you have resistance here, your support is here, and then this candle closed below the support, right? So I am gonna anticipate that this open of the candle will push down further because you have clean traffic towards to the left hand side. This is how I trade against the trend. So this is, you still have confirmation in this. You need to adapt on what's gonna happen next. Does make sense? Does make sense, chat? We're good? So yeah. But if we wanna take buy here, we wanna see closure above, right? If you wanna take buy, you need to see closure above here, above the range. Like this, to take buy. Because right now, you cannot take buy here if you're inside the range here, right? Because you have resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, resistance here. So probably it will take time, right, to break this. But we cannot anticipate the volume right now. If we see volume pushing up, and we're gonna take that volume. We're gonna take that trade. But right now, we need to see, if we want to take buy, we need to see retracement first. Because right now, as you can see, there's no retracement, right? So we cannot take buy right now. So we need to wait. Sorry. We need to wait. We good, chat? Shout out to 60 viewers right now. Chat, can I see 30 likes here or 40 likes? Drop some likes, man. Subs to the channel, support the channel, chat. Support the channel. Shout out 63 viewers. What's up? Wow. Bitcoin. Oh man. How many people got liquidate on this candle? If you're taking buy here, bro, you're gone. 345 pip. Liquidate. Man. NQ. Tja, if you're trading Nasdaq, this gonna be a 24-hour trading soon. Probably, I don't know, maybe next month, I don't know. This is gonna be 24-hour trading soon. But if you're gonna trade this is good. I might trade this soon during NY because the price action here is good. All right, tapping the resistance now. No reaction. The reaction might 15 minutes open here. The last 15 minutes candle of the 1 hour candle, 1 hour time frame. So if you have any questions, drop it in the chat. How's your trading week, chat? Dubs. Got some dubs. How's the trading week? Small W's formation session. W. W Reese. Let's go. Seven minutes for closure, chat. Man, reaction. This is reaction zone, chat. This is gonna be nice, man. Reaction zone here, as you can see here. You're tapping here, pushing down. But probably the 4-hour close bullish here, chat. If the 4-hour close without top wick, man, it's interesting here. The 4-hour close, no top wick. Like this, maybe closure. You might see re-break on the high here. You might see a re-break on the high before, pushing down like this. That's normally happen. Sorry, chat. Sorry, man. I'm sick, bro. 5 minutes for closure on the 15, man. 30 is still open. Respecting. Respecting here, huh? Respecting. For me, no buys yet, bro. I wanna see like I show you like this. I'm gonna see close and bullish, and one more closure below the range to take a sell on the next candle. I wanna see like that closure. Right now, I cannot take sell because it's still bullish, bro. And then 30 minutes close bullish too. Anytime like this, can push up further on the next. So you need to be if you're taking sell right now, if you need to be look for this and for this closure. Once you close like this, man, it's gonna push up because you know that still bullish, right? The 4 hour time frame is still bullish here, and there is a volume here, chat, in the 4 hour time frame. Right now you have minor resistance level here. It's your minor, you tap that, right? You react now, but it's not heavy reaction. Let's see, because this is the scenario, chat. If this 4 hour candle wants to drive up, you will see like this. Bottom wick first, right? You will see bottom wick first before driving up. Minimum here on this zone. So it's gonna look like this. After opening of the candle, boom. We're pushing up. Right? So in the lower time frame, let's see 30 minutes time frame, it's gonna look like this before driving up. Wow. Pushing down now, chat. Pushing down now, chat. Be your price action. Yep. Yeah, this is probably gonna melt down now, but I don't want to take sell chat. I don't want to take that, mean. Need to follow the plan. When looking price action, what is first thing you're looking at? Support and resistance. See that meltdown, man. Oh, if you take sell here, you're up 13 pip. Right. Oh yeah. If nag-sell sa 3133, yeah, you can move your stops to break even because this is good. This is your 3-3 zone. 3-3, yeah. Yeah, you're up 35 pip now. Moving stops or break even, you're good. By the way, how much po magpa-mentor sa'yo? Brother, just DM me on my Instagram, bro. Yeah, by the way, chat, the mentorship gonna start on Saturday. Even though I have only one student, I'm gonna go through that, man. So if you wanna be the winner circle, message me on Instagram, chat. Win-win. How my problem how to finish my forex earning? May WO gold is melting, chat. Gold is melting. Ugh. 'Yeah, this is the one, all right? So if you want to be part of this mentorship program, chat, DM me in Instagram, man. Then I will tell you the requirements. 4 minutes for closure on the 15. Now, I want to see this next candle closure. And then bearish. Chat, drop some likes, man. Can I see 40 likes in here, chat? Drop some likes, bro. So support to the channel. And make sure you subscribe, chat. 443 subs. Man, we're near 500 subs. Let's go. What you got, chat? You got cells? You took cells here, chat. Man, you're good. 33 pip from 31, 31. Yup. Coach, do you think the next candle will retrace to form structure or likely continue going down? Yeah. As what I've said earlier, 4 hour time frame close bullish, right? So you will see like this on the 4 hour time frame. Now the 4 hour time frames open up. You will see bottomic minimum here, right? So minimum here, you will see candles are pushing down, of course, right? For the bottom wick, and then gonna look like this. Or because the 4 hour time frame respect the resistance on the left hand side, you will see like this closure, right? So if that happened, I need to see structure on the 15 minutes, like Yeah, you close bullish, it's good. But the next candle, I want to see closure below the range. Because now you have support form after closure of bullish, right? And then the next 15, I want to see closure like this to push further down. Yep, makes sense. But if I want to take buy, I want to see a re-break at the low here. That look like that to take buy. It's gonna look like that. Or probably like this. Wow. Pushing down here. Top wick. Can we close bullish on the 15? Can we close bullish on the 15? If we close bullish on the 15 chap, and then we see volume, right? If we close bullish like this, see volume, man. Gonna take, ooh, sell on the re-break of the previous candle low. But now it's bullish closure, man. It's bullish closure. How many pip towards to the upside? 24 pip. 2 minutes for closure here. After close, bullish close, no, not bro, not yet. Not yet, man. Not yet. Not yet. No, bro. I wanna see the next candle close bearish here, below the range. So right now, cannot take sell because bullish closure. Now you have new support form. So once you have new support form, and you will see pushing up here, right? But if this candle close bearish, right now we're good to trade against the trend because as you can see here, you have trend towards to the upside, right? You have volume towards to the upside. So to trade this against, I want to see support and then break below support, enable for you to push and trade that, push down further. That's how we anticipate that. That's how I anticipate this trend. So yeah, if this candle close bearish or re-break the previous candle low, man, we want to see bearish closure. Let's see. Oh man, volume, huh? 30 minutes for closure. Too much volume here. Too much volume. Chat taking sell right now, chat. Too much volume here. Stop loss above here, 45 pip. TP, full TP down here, 3113 zone. So grab some sells here. Re-break of the 30 there, right? So yeah, man. Re-break of the 30 chat. Once you re-break the high here, I might manage my risk. Because 11 minutes for closure, this is a lot of time here. And then we see that the volume will coming down, right? So, and then the 30 minutes time frame too is pushing down here. You will see move here, like this minimum. So yeah. Can we push further, chat? But if this close bearish below the range, man, we're good. Action at the 5. Man. Coach, if it breaks the support, do you think it can reach 3 on yeah. Yeah, but that one is gonna take a lot of time. You might see volume on NY, maybe NY. Just close below. Uh, 6 minutes for closure chat. Ito, tripod. 4 minutes for closure. 'If you re-break the high here, we're gone, chat. $30 reacts. 15 minutes will close bearish. Still good. All right. Can we close below, man? Can we close below, dog? Uy. Pretty nice here, chat. If we close below and then you re-break like this, man, we're good. $20 seconds for closure. 5, 3. Oh, didn't close below, chat. It's fine. Let's see this 15 and this the 30, how it close. But once you re-break the high there, bro, we're done. Oh. Didn't close below. Why you didn't close below? Can we push now, chat? Can we push? One hour is about to close. If you close bearish, don't like the closure of the 1 hour too. This probably gonna happen before like this. It might happen. Re-break on the high before pushing down, but let's see, man. 19 pip drawdown. We need to see chat close below here. The 15. To push further down on the next 15. And that candle is 30 and new open of 1 hour candle. Let's see. Because we're still in a bullish chat. But once you close above the range here, we're gone here. Like this. Once you close above. Because on the next, we'll retest the high. And then the 4 hour candle, it's gonna look like this. After creating a bottom wick. I anticipate that this candle will move further, man, but this one will move like this, retest here. But it's not. 5 minutes for the closure, chat. 5 minutes. 30 will close bearish. Doesn't look good. But if we see volume the same like this, and push down, it's good. Five minutes for closure. The 5 is printing. Let's see, let's see. All right. 15 gonna print side by side now. Once we see close below, we're good here. The one is creating structure. Thirty close bullish. Man, not good. Close above here. No topic on the 15. Interesting. Cha, if the 15 close without topic, I'm gonna add a position here, alright? If the 15 close no topic, I'm gonna add that. And with the same stops. Therapeutic stops. Alright, Cha, I'm adding one more position here. No topic closure here. Let's see, man. Once you re-break the previous candle high on the 1 hour, we're gone, Cha. Will drive up. The 4 hour time frame will drive up. Can we push further now, chat? Can we push? So, Chime, add one more position here, alright? On the dot here. 1, 3, 1, 3, 1. So, I add position there. Let's see. 33 here. New subscriber here, coach. What's up? What's up? Welcome, welcome. Can we push now, chat? And the 30 close bullish, no top wick. 1 hour close bearish. If you push further down, man, we're good. Right, too much volume here, chat. Can you push further now, man? Can we push through, chat? I'm still on the trade, chat. Spam W if you out of the trade, but I'm still here. I want to see push further down here. Consolidating. If you add pineapples here, you're good. 21 pip. And then now you can out of the trade. You won 10 pips already, right? But I didn't close anything yet, chat. I didn't close anything yet. Nine minutes for closure. Give me some. Psst. Give me some. Psst. Can you push through now, man? Can we push? 2 minutes for closure on the 5. Probably gonna wait here. The 15 close. On the 15 minutes close. Still on the trade, chat. Still on the trade. Can we push further now, man? A 15 are printing side by side. Four minutes for closure on the 15 chat. Man. Can we push further, man? Two minutes for closure. Can we push more, chat? Can we push more, man? 1 minute for closure. $30 will close, no. An hour close, no. 15 will close, yeah. Wow, rejection. Didn't push through. Give me a second shot. Oh, 30 will close bearish. We're good. But take time. 12 minutes for closure. Structure should close below the range here. To push further. Who's still on the trade, chat? Drop it in the chat if you're still on the trade. Who's still on the sells here, chat? Drop it if you're still on the trade, man. Me. Okay. Too many. Oh, yeah. Still holding, yeah. If you add pineapple here above, you're good. Right? If you add pineapple here, you're good. Saging bulok. 7 minutes for closure, chat. 7 minutes, man. Can we push through now, man? Can we push? Can you re-break the lows there? Can you re-break the lows there? Can you re-break the lows? Give me psst. Give me psst. Give me psst. Chat, pay attention for closure here, right? Give me psst. One more push. One more push, chat. One more push, gang. One more push. One more push. One more push. All right, chat. Closing here at 12 pips, chat. W's in the chat, man. Closing here, chat, at 12 pips. Pineapple, save us. That's the trade. W's in the chat, man. I just get 12 pips there, man. $12 pips on the pineapple, chat. Now it's gonna melt. What time we took that? 1:30. Oh yeah, man. It's gonna melt, bro. Yeah, bro. Holy, man. But we got 12. We got 12 there. It's fine, man. We got 12. We got the 12 there, chat. You don't need to we don't need to catch the whole thing. We got the 12 pips there, man. Cannot complain. If we hold that from the top, man, 54 pip. Gonna get 54 pip there, but it's fine. 12 it's done, no? 12 is done, chat. It's melting. W's in the chat. W's in the chat. Got some drawdown there, but it's part of a game, you know. You need sometimes, chat. You need to feel the drawdown, the emotion. You're gonna practice the emotion on how you handle the emotion during drawdown, chat, right? So now you know. Now you know the mix of the emotions, chat. Now we're out of the trade there. It's gonna melt now. We out. Wow, we're good. So yeah, chat, spam some W's in the chat, man. Please spam some W's in the chat, bro. If you got that trade, if spam some W's in the chat, man. Spam some W's, bro. Spam W's in the chat, man. Spam some dubs. Winners, bro. Too many winners. Yo, chat. Thank you guys for coming. All right, I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. So W day here, gang. So later tonight, don't overtrade, chat. Don't over risk. All right. So yeah, man, protect your profit now, and you know that you're gonna have a mixed emotion during drawdown, right? But right now, we good. W day here, and peace out, chat. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Love and wisdom. See you guys tomorrow, man. I'm out here, chat. Love you guys. Peace.
Yes, I did. So I packed it up and brought it back to the crib. Just a little something, show you how we live. Everybody want it, but it ain't that serious. That's that shit. So if you gon' do it just like this. Did you realize that you are a champion? You don't see just how wild the crowd is. You don't see just how fly my style is. I don't see why I need a stylist. When I shop so much I can speak Italian. I don't know, I just want it better for my kids. And I ain't saying we was from the projects, but every time I wanna lay away or deposit, my dad'd say when you see clothes, close your eyelids. We was sorta like Will Smith and his son. In the movie I ain't talking about the rich ones, cause every summer he'd get some brand new hairbrain scheme to get rich from. And I don't know what he did for dope, but he'd send me back to school with a new wardrobe. And think he did when he packed it up and brought it back to the crib. Just a little something, show you how we live. Everything I wanted, man, it seems so serious. That's that shit. So if you gon' do it just like this. Did you realize that you are a champion? When it feel like living's harder than dying. For me, giving up's way harder than trying. Lauryn Hill said her heart was in Zion. I wish her heart still was in rhyming. Cause who the kids gon' listen to? Huh? I guess me if it